Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin. Let's do some nice walk around Dublin. We will see how everything looks like. It's stage 3 and actually supposed to be very quiet, and there's social distance everywhere and only essential, non-essential. I don't think it's any social distance and any unessential because it's very busy. But let's do some nice walk and let's go to Grafton Street. See the most exclusive street in Ireland. What makes me laugh so much is, the eating food in a restaurant is prohibited because it's no space, but when you eat outside it's okay. Why actually everybody crowding outside everywhere? All restaurants and coffee shop put some any sitting area outside, and these sitting area are full. So lovely. This just showing how this all bullshit about Corona just going deeper and deeper and make everything more ridiculous. I like the mask because this is easier and comfortable, but they're always sitting and that's just the crazy. But it's still, Dublin looks very empty. It's nothing compared of this what was before, and looks like ghost town now. Walking around empty streets where basically this part of the city it's always very busy and very crowded just make me sad, and I decide to just finish my walk around, and just I don't feel really comfortable because everything look like Armageddon, and that's very depressed. Yeah, was nice to see Dublin, but on the other side was really sad trip around the Dublin. Hope you enjoy, just even to see and refresh your memory about this crazy busy city full of young blood and lots of people, and actually I want to keep this in my memory as a super busy, super friendly place to live. And look, this is Temple Bar, one of the most busy places in whole Ireland, completely empty this time. Yeah, no, definitely that's enough, because that's supposed to be nice walk around the city and looks very sentimental and looks very sad at the same time. Guys, thank you very much for watching me my short trip to Dublin. Subscribe, leave thumbs up, leave the comment, and see you shortly in another vlog.